Hello, we're going to do something a little more complicated in this video. So we're going to do a circle with circles inside that are like embossing just to make like a cute little doily type inspired cutter. So first things first, on the left we're going to create a sketch. Click the yellow square, create a circle. We're going to make this one, let's do 35 millimeters, not 25, 35. Click enter. And now we're going to create another circle. It's going to be smaller. Let's do 5 millimeters and click enter. And now we're going to line this up on this line here. We're going to go to create on the left here and do circular pattern. We're going to select that circle, select the center point of our circle, and now we can drag these around, creating a bunch of little circles. Once we're happy with how it looks, we can click OK. Once we're done with that, we can offset. You can either click O, like this, or you can go to above modify and click the offset tool. Select your circle. We're going to offset it by 4 millimeters. I'm sorry, by 0.4 millimeters. That'd be a huge wall. Click OK. And I think I'm gonna add a little extra and do a cutout in the center. And drag this out right here. And we're gonna offset another time to, I'm gonna make like a stabilizing wall. Offset another for the handle. Click OK. Now we can finish our sketch. We can extrude the cutting wall. I like to do 13 millimeters. Click OK. We're going to extrude this one and we'll just do 10 millimeters for that one. And click OK. Extrude the handle. I like to do 5 millimeters and click OK. Oop, I forgot. Let's right click on our sketch, go to edit sketch, and then we're going to click offset or O, select the center circle, and then offset this by -0.4. Click OK. Now offset one more time just so I can create another stabilizing wall. Oh, there we go. Just gonna drag this out like so. Click OK. Finish sketch. Now we can extrude that center cutout to 13 millimeters because we're cutting, not embossing. Click OK. Extrude the stabilizing wall to 10 millimeters. Click OK. Now we're going to extrude all of our little circles. If you wanted these to be solid, you would do regular extrude and just select all of the circles. Oop, not that. And do 11 millimeters. Click OK. And then if you just select the back and do 5 millimeters and select OK, then you have that. But if you wanted to do like not filled in circles, but circled, you would go to extrude, and then select all of them. Oh, I don't have it on thin extrude. There we go. All right, now we can change this to 11 millimeters. And I'm gonna change this to center for the wall location. And that creates a really cool look too. But this is really thick. You can make it 0.4 since it's as small as the standard nozzle can go. And if you feel like, oh, that's a little too close for me, you can always change it back to side 1. Or if you like that overlapped look, you can change it to side 2. You have a lot of different options. Click OK. And then extrude the back to 5 millimeters or 10 millimeters if you want more stability. Change it to join and then OK. And now if we hide our sketch, we have our nifty little cutter. So pretty fast and easy. I showed you like 4 different designs to do within this design in less than 6 minutes, so that's pretty nifty. If you want to learn how to make more cutters in Fusion 360 and go above and beyond the kind of things I show on YouTube, check out my link below for my Fusion Cutters Made Easy course, and I'd love to see you there. I'll see you in the next one.